What is up, guys? Peyton here with Budget Lift Garage. We're out here at the Gambler 500. Came up last night. I didn't get any footage, but we took her out and I completely trashed my skid plate. Had a little bit of breakage up there. Got a flat there. I'm just gonna limp it. But we're doing pretty good. A few cars going down.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. Afloat, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
About that far?
That sucks. I think you would have made it.
It was pretty close.
Off it. Want to, hang on.
Got to push the water out of the motor.
Give me that. I obviously did not seal up the water leak. Now, what I need right now, we gotta go unhook that mass airflow sensor.
Good luck.
And that's the fire right up. It's right on my tip. Hang on, Dickie, we're not done yet.
You're not done yet.
Alright, what do we gotta do?
What do you want?
I just gotta unhook my mass airflow sensor.
And that's some sticky shit too.
I don't think that fucking winch had much more. Look at your fucking plow marks.
You got it. Just stay running. We got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna say that is a couple inches of thick mud.
There's a lot.
I did. There it is. Wow! That was a good one. Happy 4th of July! Hey, don't let off this time. Oh yeah, okay.
He's like fully committed to doing this.
Maybe he's trying to get a gas.
Someone just broke something. Is it as cool as what's happening down here?
I don't know.
I don't know, we ain't getting nowhere.
This is
I think
true.
he's gonna let us down.
Just tap that tree. That's enough room. Yep.
Get the JV.
I know we were. Stupid Chile.
That'll fucking smell good. Does it?
That's the water on the hot motor.
Come on, baby.
That's all that is, muddy water on the hot water. Don't worry, Dickie's coming down.
Let him just go through it for fun. Right?
He's thinking about it.
Come on, baby.
He wants to go from this end though.
Let him. Wait, why do you have a shopping bag? They're asking about the
Maybe we
shopping
needed
cart.
more JB wells.
I don't know, some guy found